Hello again, puppets. Now you're probably wondering what the heck, you're not in the camera. I mean, some of you are probably saying, well, thank God. So tired of seeing his face. Now, I get that, but now what am I doing here? I'm pointing the camera at the wall with a piece of paper on it. It looks like a dot. I don't know if you can see it. It's red. It's from my laser. Okay, I'll take you on a little quick tour of what I'm doing here. This is actually by the side door of my room. There's the phone. There's our homework for the week. You know, that's up here. There's a side door here. Yeah. And there's my laser. My laser is set up. There's the board. Laser is set up. So it's pointing at the wall, putting that red dot on there. I want to show you something, a nice, awesome, nice phenomenon like called diffraction. Now we've all heard of diffraction before, you know, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, diffraction. That's so funny. Wait. Oh, that was good diffraction. That's funny. Hey kids. Yeah, okay, well, so what I'm going to do, I am going to show you a phenomenon called diffraction with this light. Now, right now, you just see the light beam here, that red light beam. I'll shut the lights off. We are going to shut the lights off. You'll see that my laser, for you probably only see this one dot. The laser's old, and it's not very good, and you can see how it's got all this pattern around it now. It's kind of spreading out, so it's an old, but it'll still work. So we're focused on that red dot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to now turn the lights back on just for a second. Use what's called a diffraction slit. It's called a double slit. Now here, it looks like, let me get this in line for you here. Okay, oh, there it is. Okay. So now you can you see that? I'm getting it so you can see. Yes, you can. Get it right up closer. And you can see that there are two very close together slits in this otherwise opaque film, and that's called a diffraction grating. When you have two slits very close together to each other, like that's called diffraction grating. Here I have one. Where's the camera? There. Here we go. That has three different sets of slits, some of them closer than others. And I'm going to use these to show you an optical phenomenon that was noticed several hundred years ago by a scientist named Young. As in, yeah, Y-O-U-N-G, Young. And it's called the Young's Experiment. And what he did, he was showing the phenomenon that light can diffract. And it was one of the very, very important arguments that's saying light is a wave, because only waves diffract. Particles can't diffract. So there's this whole theory about light, particle duality theory. You know, light is both a property as of it, or both that of a particle and in a wave. And so this is one very important phenomenon that led to the idea that light is a wave, because particles can't diffract, only light or waves can, and therefore light must have some wave properties. So let me show you what I'm talking about, babbling. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is hard, I'm by myself here, so you know I really need you here, lab partner, but you're not here for me. I'm really upset with you today, lab partner. Thought you were, you'd be here for me, but you're not. I'm going to go over to the laser, and I'm going to hold this one here in front of it, and this one here in front of it, and try to get a diffraction pattern. You don't even know what a diffraction pattern is, do you? Well, watch and learn, Padawans. Watch and learn. Here we go. Shut the lights off. Let's see if we can get this to show up for you. The lights shut off. I'm going over to the laser, and I'm gonna. Now I had coffee this morning, so this is going to be. There it is. Oh boy. All right, so now what are you seeing? Oh, I can't see where it is on here. Oh, there it is. Now, what I'm trying to do is get you to see, going horizontally across, horizontally. Look horizontal. You can see a series of dots. Very bright in the middle, getting less and less bright as we go away. Oh, hold it steady. Yeah, you try this when you've had coffee and you have nothing else to look at. It's dark in here. All right, don't make fun of me. There. So we've got it. We've got a pattern of dots, horizontal pattern of dots that go from the middle and go out, and everything gets dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, light. And, all right, that's one diffraction grating. Let me try this one here. Let's see what we got here. Got a diffraction grating on this one. There. Oh, that's actually better. I think that's better. If I can hold it steady. If I move it a smidgen, it screws it up because these lines are so thin. There we go. Okay, good. Man, Mr. G, you're pro. You're pro. Yeah, so we have a bright dot in the middle. Then it gets dark on either side of the bright dot. Look, on either side of the bright dot. It gets dark, and then we have another dot. Then it gets dark. We have another dot. And the dots, the subsequent dots from the middle keep getting less bright. The brightest one's in the middle. Okay, that's called a diffraction pattern. A diffraction pattern. And we're going to talk about that. I'm just showing it to you. There we go. All right, doing a good job now. Yeah, make fun of me, will you? Okay, all right. I hope you could see that. Okay, I'm assuming you did. Actually, I couldn't look through the camera when I was back there, so I'm hoping you saw that. So let's turn the lights back on. Okay, turn the lights back on. Bring you back over here. Set up our camera. We'll shut the laser off. Oh, you're looking at the back of the room, aren't you? Hang on. Keep looking at the back of the room, kids. Keep looking. Keep looking. Keep looking. Keep looking. Did you see it? Did you see that? That thing has been running back and forth in my room all day, and I don't know what it is. I'm really scared. I need you here, my buddies. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I got to turn you around. Oh, nuts. I got the options are gone. How am I going to turn you around? Hello? 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 All right. Okay, fine. You know what? I got to figure it out. We're going to stop this video, and this is part 1. Part 2 coming up. Hang on. Be back.